Hey soul family, welcome to Eringy. I'm Erin. We're going to be doing a meditation that is all about effortlessness. And that basically means that you don't have to put any amount of energy into doing this particular meditation. It's all about just releasing and letting go. So to begin with, I invite you to get incredibly comfortable so you don't feel like you're putting any effort into maintaining a posture. Okay, so whether that means lying completely down on a mat, lying down on the bed, the couch, or if it means sitting in Sukhasana, easy pose, so you're sort of cross-legged, or, sitting up and thunderbolt onto your knees, onto your heels, or even against a wall. Or my personal favorite is just grabbing a bolster, or you can roll up a blanket. Basically just sort of sitting on top of it, because I feel like I just don't have to have any part of my body to hold me up. And then I'm just going to place a blanket onto my forehead. So I'm just basically going to be lying down in that particular position. So this is really ultimately up to you. It is about listening to your body. I say that very often, but it's important. Okay. So firstly, why don't you just do that and find your way in a comfortable space, and then we can get started. Alrighty, so as you found yourself in that comfortable position, whether you are lying down, whether you're sitting, or simply just crouched over, just let yourself land here. You have come to this particular practice because there's a part of you that has identified that there might be some resistance, some growing tension. Things might be feeling quite difficult at the moment in your life, very challenging. And so it's not very often that we take these sorts of times for ourselves and to connect to that sensation of effortlessness. So wherever you are, just do a bit of a body scan. Start from the head and just bring your awareness, scan down through the body, and just notice if there's any tension anywhere where you're feeling like there is the opposite of effortlessness, where you are feeling tightness, that sensation of the body just scrunching up, that sensation of the body part that's just not feeling completely comfortable. So as you scan your body, and if you find somewhere or some parts that do feel like that, just naturally use your breath. You don't need to force it. There's no need to take deep inhales or exhales. Use the naturalness of the breath. And just imagine, sense, or trust that it is going to that area of the body that does feel the opposite to effortlessness. And with that breath, just let it go.
Let it go. Let your body just melt. Melt down into the support beneath you. Surrender those thoughts, the feelings, sensations that just don't serve you very well. Those things that just make you hold on tight, that can create discord, discomfort. Just surrender to all of it. In this moment, there's no need to keep thinking about the tasks at hand. No need to think about what's on your to-do list. No need to worry about your future, how you're going to achieve your goals. All of those things are thoughts that prevent us from really experiencing the present moment. So if your mind is overthinking right now, you may like to affirm, I am effortless. I surrender. I let go. And it's okay to do that. To be here. Dropping down into this space. Giving your body permission to do that. Bringing calm to your nervous system. Calm to the body. Calm to the mind. And your breath is the very thing that can do that. So for the next little while, I invite you to just simply watch the breath as you let your body just sink a little deeper down now, experiencing that sense of effortlessness. You can watch your breath as it does its job, moving in and out of the body in its own gentle way, without you even needing to ask it to. Your breath is the ultimate version of what it means to experience effortlessness. How does your body feel when you say that you'll surrender? How does your mind respond when you say that you'll let go? What does your spirit say? Your soul, when you tell it that you are ready to live in the moment, to follow the path of least resistance? As we near to the end of this meditative practice, bring your awareness to the top of the head. And again, just do a bit of a body scan. Move your awareness from the top all the way to the feet. This is one little final push to release anything more that you need to release. One more opportunity to really experience this deep sensation of effortlessness. And when you have completed your body scan, invite your body just to take a full, deep, big breath in as you really soak in this feeling that you have in your body. And just know that as you continue on with your day today, you can take this feeling, truly absorb it into every cell of your body, and just know that it is okay to follow the path of least resistance, where you can truly experience that deep sense of effortlessness. Take a nice, deep, big, full breath in. Namaste.